In this video, we'll learn how to install Proton VPN on your Windows PC in 2026 and avoid the set of mistakes that can prevent your VPN from connecting properly. Proton VPN is one of the most popular VPN services thanks to its strong privacy features, no logs policy, and a free plan. The installation process is simple, but a few common mistakes can cause connection issues right from the start. So let's begin. First, visit the official Proton VPN website and download the Windows version of the application. Always download the installer from the official site to ensure you're getting the latest and most accurate and secure version. Once the download is complete, you can open the installer and follow the setup wizard. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click yes to allow the installation. Now, after the installation finishes, you can launch Proton VPN and sign in with your Proton account. But if you don't have one yet, you can create a free account directly from the sign up page. You can click this sign in at the official website and then click this create account and select this sign up for free. Click this continue with free and then enter your email address. Click this start using Proton VPN and that's it. Now, this is your password. Copy that. You'll needing it later. And that's it. So let's head over to the Proton application. Let's type our username, paste your password, and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with a list of available servers. If you're using the free plan, you'll have access to a limited selection of servers, while paid plans provide additional locations and advanced features. So to connect, simply select a server or click a quick connect. You can click this connect. So if the connection fails, here are the most common fixes. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Proton VPN app. Next, check that your internet connection is working before launching the VPN. If you're on a restricted network, try switching a different VPN protocol in the app settings, as some networks block specific protocols. You can also try connecting to another server since temporary server issues occasionally occur. Finally, if Windows Firewall or your antivirus software is blocking the application, add the Proton VPN as an allowed program and try connecting it again. By downloading the app from the official website, installing it with administrator permissions, keeping it updated, and checking your network settings, if problems occur, you'll have Proton VPN running smoothly in just a few minutes. And that's how you install Proton VPN on your PC in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.